Hi, my name's Marie Goldman. I'm here on Van Diemans Road with John Goundry, who's a local resident who's lived here for a few years. And we've been looking at the issues with the highway here, with the road, Van Diemans Road. And well, John, tell us what's been happening.
It floods regularly. We've got some amazing footage of this whole area here and all the way up there, completely immersed in water. I've contacted the council and asked them to do something, but apparently it's not a priority, which is why I contacted you.
Not a priority, and yet this is officially what's called a PR1 route, which is a priority road, priority 1 road.
Absolutely.
Which is pretty much the highest type of road, one of the highest types of roads that Essex Highways looks after.
Yep.
It seems really strange. I mean, you can see the number of cars that go past it as well.
It's a major arterial route. I mean, you can see they're backing up all the way up there. It's like this all day long. But when it floods, you've got the pedestrians like this lady here. They can't use the crossing. It's dangerous. I worry about sewage maybe flowing back into the properties, etc. So something needs to be done.
And it's happened several times over the years, and the latest time was, I think, was it last week?
Just last week, the heavy rain we had last week, it had flooded halfway across the road, almost immersed it, but it's been much, much worse in the past.
Okay, so what we'd really like Essex Highways is to do something about this, please. Obviously there's a problem here. Let's get to the heart of the problem. Let's fix it once and for all, rather than having a problem which keeps coming back year after year, time and time again, and actually really dangerous and really difficult for the people who have to deal with the Army and Navy, especially on a regular basis, like John here and like all of the residents, but anybody who uses Chelmsford on a regular basis.